I'm going to show you how to add text to your videos in CapCut on your phone. Go ahead and click on text at the bottom, and you can just click on add text as you can see there. And now you can position where you want, and you can even just simple tap in it and basically type whatever you want. So I'm going to just type, for example, race time as an example. Let's say that's what I want to do. I can go ahead and even click on font, and I can change the font as well. For example, like that. If you want to do some styles as well, you can also do it as you see as well. It's really up to you. And of course, you have colors that you can select, and you get the idea, right? So you can just basically play with it, do whatever you want, right? And again, in case you want to like play around with, for example, size and so forth, that is also pretty easy. All you have to do is just go ahead and tap on the text. And here, once you tap on the text, you will basically see the option at the bottom. Once you swipe down size, and you can just increase it like that. You can even change opacity if you want as well. And so that's it, guys. Very easy and very simple.